Good morning, student. In my last video we have solved these exercises questions. Chapter 2, asking sentences exercises we have solved. See, asking sentences chapter 2 exercises. Question number A we have solved 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and I hope you all have done this in your notebook. So today we will see the B. Okay, B part of this exercise. Rearrange the words to make questions. Put a question mark at the end. So student, what we have to do here, here the words are not arranged properly. Okay, what we have to do, first we need to rearrange the words to make it a meaningful sentence. Okay, we need to rearrange to make it a questions. Okay, and what we have to put a question mark at the end, because I have told you that in asking sentences and whenever we frame questions from a simple sentence, then we need to put a question mark at the end of the asking sentences. Okay, so we will see number 1. Number 1, do what flies do. So we need to rearrange to make a meaningful questions. Okay, so how we will do what flies do. Try. What do flies do? Yes. What do flies do? Okay. Question number 2. Away can fly the get. So first you see the starting word to frame the question. Which can be the starting word? Here you can see for starting word WH we use WH words what. Okay. For this is there any WH words? No. So I told you na student, if you all remember that sometimes there are questions which need yes or no answers. Okay. So in that question, that kind of question starts from can, could, is, am, are, do. Okay. So number 2, away can fly the get. What will be the question for this? Can the fly get away? Yes. Can the fly get away? And what we need to put at the end of the sentence, asking sentences? Question mark. Question number 3. Like what does a spider? So first we will see, is there any WH words? Yes, what. So we will write here what. Then does the spider, what does the spider like? At the end, question mark. Okay, don't forget to put question mark at the end of the asking sentences or questions. Question number 4. Web see the can fly the. So we will again start with can. Can the fly see the web? At the end, question mark. Now question number 5. Does the horse spider know this? We will see, is there any WH words? No, there is how. How belongs to the family of question words. So we will start from how. How does the spider know this? At the end, what we will put, student? Question mark. How does the spider know this? Okay. So student, I hope you all have understood how we need to rearrange and make into a questions, and we need to put question mark at the end of the questions or asking sentences. And rest from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I will give you the PDF and you need to do in your notebook. What we have to do? You have to complete from 1 to 10 in your English grammar notebook. Okay student? Thank you.